Hello, how are you guys? Welcome to our second day's live show. Today, our coffee machine series. First, I will introduce you this brother. You see, is it like twins? In fact, they are brother, just brother, not the twins, okay? Like this model. First, for the power, this one is a 2.7 kilowatt. And this is a 3200D. The power is a 2.65 kilowatt. So it's so similar, right? No any different. So first I will tell you the different one. The different is this model is the upgrade model. It's more better for the commercial use when you the coffee shop. You are the coffee shop owner. Maybe you will choose which kind of coffee machine is suitable for your coffee shop. So if your coffee shop each day have the client about 30 to 50%, maybe I suggest you to choose this one. Because this one inside have the 1 liter aluminum boiler. And another, this one is a 500 ml boiler to make coffee. And another is a 1 liter aluminum boiler to make the hot water and the steam. This is more quickly than this model. This model comes with the thermoblock to make the hot water and the steam. The inner to make coffee, 500 ml stainless steel boiler is the same. So based on this setting, this model is an upgrade than that one. And both of them we use the itopkitchen bomb. And based on this model, the price will be a little higher than this model. So now I will take out one by one to show you. This model comes with this 1.7 liters water tank. So each time you need to take it out and take the water. And each model will come with this spare part. This strip is to clean here. And this is the water pipe. Need to connect the button. This is the wastewater will come out from this water pipe. The wastewater will go out, okay? And take this ring to fix it. And like this control panel, this key is the hot water. This is the small cup. This is the big cup. And this is the menu button. You can set as you like the time. This is a discard button. And this is to make the steam. Okay, steam. This is a parameter to see when the coffee make. Normally 9 bar is the perfect pressure to make coffee. And at the bottom have the on-off switch. See my hand here have the on-off switch. You can see here is the water drain, the rack. So our finish is very good for each plastic finish is good. Well, let me introduce another one. And yeah, this machine we can make a EU plug, and with this cable is about 1.3 meters. See this model? Yeah, each one has this part. This is a 58 mm to press the water powder. Right. The brush, okay. And this model will combo this rack to make small cup. And if you want to make the high cup, just take it out. And this control panel a little different. This is an on-off switch. This is a one small, 1 cup, 2 cup. So you can take 2 cup here. This is a hot water. And this is the menu button. You can take it as you want. And this model, each button, it will set the time to make the coffee. Small cup, 2 cup, the big cup, just the time different. And this one, it will, as the coffee flow, different. So inside the control panel inside, to how to control the coffee come out, the time or the flow, that's different of two model. Okay, and other almost the same. So you can see in our listing, you can see in our listing, 2 model. We also have an introduction. You can see this one is about $480 for the extra price, and this model is more than $600 for the extra price. So this is the upgrade model than that one. So this is the brother A, brother D, and this is the younger brother B, 3200B. Okay. So any question here? Don't forget to contact us. Now I try around this machine and show you some difference. See, it's a heavy one. For this model, how heavy? 21 kilogram. It's heavy for. This body we used to make stainless steel, made in Germany stainless steel, and this is the ABS plastic. It's a very strong, right? And this one also strong. Oh yes, here have the mesh 9. When you add the water, don't over this mesh 9. This is a minimum 9. And yeah, the water can we suggest you use the salt water, not the hard water, because if the hard water is quite easy to make a lot of like the ice inside to make broth. If so, each time we suggest our client to clean the inside each week, each month, to clean them, to make some watermelon, some lemon ice to clean inside. It have the circle, the water can go around, and then to destroy the ice. To clean the water scale each time, we suggest that each week or each month. So this will protect the machine. The stainless steel broiler inside will not break down. Okay. I developed, because this is the model our client already ordered. We need to prepare the shipment soon. So now I didn't make coffee, but wait a moment, we will use another model to make the real coffee for you and let you see our machine. because this one is ready to ship to Europe. This is the Europe part. Okay.